Yeah, I'm going to show you something. Okay, so this is currently trending right now, so you can actually make a whole lot with this. I'm talking about you can create lots of content with this, you can make lots of money with this as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you these apps that they are using to change pictures. So I changed these my pictures. I just wanted to see the pictures that I changed with these apps. Okay, take a look at it. Both my own picture, my kids picture, my husband picture. I actually created a picture ahead for Christmas, okay, that I'm actually going to use to turn to video when Christmas time comes, so you can take advantage of this app and start transforming your pictures. You don't have to go to studio anymore to do photo shoots and all that, okay, but you can make your own photo shoot the way you want it. So let me go and show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing is to go to your Chrome browser. So I go to my Chrome browser here and I'm going to search for Gemini AI. Okay, because I've been using it already, this Gemini AI. And I click on Gemini AI. Just wait for it to, okay. Here it say ask Gemini, okay, ask. So here is create image, Canva and all that. So here is create image, so you can see here create image. So I'm going to click there, create image, and it says here describe your image. So I press on that plus button here, camera upload. So I'm going to be uploading my picture from my gallery, okay, into this. So it's loading. So these are pictures right here. Okay, so just upload any of your picture images. Let me go to my camera to upload. Okay, so let me use this picture right here. So it's very simple for you to do and get your images a professional way. Okay, so this is my image right here. It said describe your image. Okay, because I have gone to ChatGPT, so you can use my prompt to generate other prompts. Okay, or you can type in whatever you want to type in. If you are into fashion, or you can type in maybe the fashion style that you want this Gemini AI to turn into, the hairstyle and all that, the makeup. But because I don't want to go through that stress, okay, so I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So I'll just minimize this and go to ChatGPT. Okay, so I have some prompts here already from ChatGPT, okay, that have generated for me. So you, like I said, you can use this prompt to generate more and more. Okay, it's saying a woman with a fair flawless skin, she wears a long flowing red silk gown with one shoulder details and all that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to copy one of these prompts. I'll copy one of these prompts from ChatGPT. Make sure you copy from a woman, okay, and I go back to my Gemini AI and I will paste my prompt there. So it's simple. I paste the prompt here, and the next thing you hit this button here. So you wait for our image to generate. Sometimes if it does not come out well, just continue doing what you are doing until you get a perfect result. Okay, so I'm waiting. It says generating image. Okay, amazing. Can you see? So this is ready. So you can see right here. Okay, let me zoom it out for you. You can see it transform my outfit. My face is the same. Of course, when you do makeup, your face actually changes from what it is. The download, so you can choose to download to anywhere and all that, to your phone, to your SD camera, to whatsoever. So that is it. And I'm going to be copying one of the prompts that ChatGPT gave me earlier. Okay, so I'm going to click there and copy and go back to my Gemini AI here. So I'm going to upload another of my image. Let me choose anyone. So you can use one image to create countless of images, countless. Okay, you can use one of your photos to create all kinds of fashion styles. So I hit create here. So I can use this particular picture here and create like 100 of different fashion style, both African fashion, American fashion, shorts, and all that. So you see, have you seen this? Have you seen how beautiful this looks? Oh my god! Oh my god! This is nice. I love this. So look at how this one is. You can see, so beautiful. And I just go ahead and download this. Okay, so I downloaded this, and also I created more and more and more and more and more and more. Do not forget to share this video, because I'm sure it's going to be helpful to especially those that love going to the studio for photo shoots. It will actually help them a lot. Okay, and just subscribe and follow, because a whole lot is going to be happening.